Meaning of emend.
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 Emend. The word emend means to make corrections or improvements to a written text. The result of amending a text is a revised version that is intended to be more accurate, clear, and effective than the original. This process involves identifying errors, inconsistencies, and other problems in the text, and then making appropriate changes to address these issues. The ultimate goal of amending a text is to produce a version that is more polished, refined, and effective in conveying its intended meaning and message.